8 cos square x. Just two more questions. Tell me. Can you tell me the answer of the first question? 3 sin x plus 5 cos x plus 7
-1 to 15.
minus 1 to 15.
15.
It is correct. Minus 1 to 15 with close bracket.
Yes, sir. Close bracket minus 1 to 15.
Okay, very good. Second question.
I haven't done that.
I think in the last class we have discussed about the formula of cos square x. It was 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay. So that we will put here 3 sin 2x plus 8 of 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So 4, 8. It means it will be 3 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x plus 4. Now, it is the same as the part 1, so that its answer will be minus 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4. Its answer will be minus 1, 2. Okay? Okay, Sufyan? So that please remember this type of question. When you have cos square x or sin square x, then you have to put the value of cos square x in the terms of cos x, cos 2x. And you have if sin square x, then it will be 1 minus cos 2x by. Okay? This is the over. This was the range of the trigonometric function. Now, next topic. Write on even functions and odd functions. Even functions. Okay. Now, if you write y equal to fx is any function. Okay. If you put minus x at the place of x, at the place of then it is known as f of minus x. Okay. Then if f of minus x becomes fx, same as the function, then it is known as even function. Okay. Okay. For example, if you take fx is equal to x squared, so that f of minus x is equal to minus x whole square equal to x square. This will be equal to fx. So that fx is equal to x square is even function. Okay. Now, if f of minus x is equal to minus fx, or if you take this part left hand side, then it will be f of minus x plus fx is equal to 0. Then in both conditions, the function will be odd function. For example, if you take simple example, fx is equal to x cube, then if you write f of minus x, it will be equal to minus x whole cube, so that it will be equal to minus x cube equal to minus of fx. And f of minus x plus f of x is equal to 0, so that x cube is which function? Odd function. Okay, right now, fast. This is at the place of x. Minus x at the place of x.
One sir.
Start. Are you writing?
Done.
Yeah. Okay. Now, more examples. Fx is equal to sin x. Then can you tell me it is even function or odd function?
It's
Odd.
even.
One person
But
is saying even and one person is odd. I think Sufyan, you are telling even function. Okay?
yeah,
But this is wrong because of if you take f of minus x, then it is sine of minus x. And sine of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay? So
okay.
that it is odd function. Odd function. Next question from Sufyan. Fx is equal to 10x. Which function? Odd function or even function? Only Sufyan. Okay. It is also odd function because of f of minus x, right now, f of minus x, 10 of minus x equal to minus 10x. Okay. Sufyan, just you write down if sine minus x equal to minus sin x. Okay. It will be help in your integration. When you will solve integration, then it will help. Cos of minus x, it is cos x. Okay. 10 of minus x, it is minus 10x. Okay. This is the property of trigonometric of minus. So that this and this function is odd while this is okay. Now write down note. Even function is symmetric about y-axis. Odd function is symmetric about origin. Symmetric about origin. If you know the graph of sin x, cos x, and tan x, then you will see that it will symmetric about the y-axis cos x and sin x and tan x both are the symmetric about the origin. Right on. Sin minus sin x, odd function, cos minus x, cos x, even function, tan minus x, minus tan x, odd function. Even function is symmetric about the y-axis and odd function is symmetric about the z. First,
Done.
it
Launching.
write a question. Log of x plus under root 1 plus x squared is even or odd function. This question from the JEE. First, both of you try, then after that I will solve. Log of x plus under root 1 plus x squared. What will be the explanation? I need. Okay, I am solving this. Let fx equal to log root of 1 plus x squared plus x. F of minus x is equal to log of square root of 1 plus x square minus x. Now, fx plus f of minus x. Okay, it will be log square root of 1 plus x square plus x plus log of square root of 1 plus x squared minus x. You know that log m plus log n is equal to? Who will tell? Sophia, log m plus log n, you know,
Log n.
log mn. Okay, so that it will be log of under root 1 plus x squared plus x into root of 1 plus x squared minus x. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that 1 plus x square minus x square, it will be log 1, and the value of log 1 is 0. So that when it comes f of x plus f of minus x equal to 0, then fx is which function? Odd function. Okay?
Yes.
Write down. If any confusion, ask me. Otherwise, it's answer covered. It is odd function. Write down. So that we have covered the chapter function. Periodic function is not your syllabus. We have all the covered the topic of function, that was domain, range, even function, odd function. Okay. 1 on 2, it is left. Okay, write down first. Okay, have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
noted? Okay. Now, more two questions you have to solve. First, fx. X square by 1 plus x square. First question. Second question is fx is equal to e raised to power x upon 1 plus e raised to power x. Can you tell me which of the following is odd function or even function or neither even nor odd? One condition is more come, that will be a function which is neither even nor odd. First function is even function because when you will put f of minus x, it will be fx because of here x square and here x square, so that it is even function. Any problem? No. For this question, tell me.
Well, it's odd.
Which function?
Odd.
Odd.
Yeah.
Okay. F of minus x. It will be e raised to power minus x divided by 1 plus e raised to power minus x. It will be 1 by e raised to power x divided by 1 plus 1 by e raised to power x. It will be 1 by e raised to power x plus 1. So that it is not fx and it is not minus fx. So that it will be neither even function and not odd function. Okay. Any problem?
No, sir.
So that this is not a even function or not odd function. Okay. Write down next topic. 1 1 many 1 on 2 and all of 4 functions will discuss in the single pattern functions. Write down a line parallel to x-axis cuts the curve at most 1 point. And this is 1 1 function. 1 1. This is the first definition. Second definition. If y equal to fx, then if you take fx1 equal to fx2, both of you have read out for this type of question what it comes when x1
No.
is equal to x2, x1 is equal to x2, then this is This is the concept in chapter 1, relational function, where we have to find the value of or prove that one function. Then you use this type of concept. Fx1 is equal to fx2. Okay. Fx1 is equal to, for example, if you write y equal to x cube, you know the graph of x cube. The graph of x cube is, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. A line parallel to x-axis, so that when you take x-axis, this part at most 1 point, so that this will be 1. Here you can write otherwise many one function. Otherwise in this case you can write third point for a single domain X, mean you find for a for more than or more than one domain, or more than one domain if it comes single image, or you can write range, then this is which function? Any one function. For example, if you take fx equal to x square, then if you take x is equal to -1 or x is equal to 1, then its value will be x square 1, so that for more than one domain it is the single image. This is the single image, and this is the more than one more than one domain, so that it will be many one or one. Okay, it will be many one. Okay, any problem up here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Write down first, and then I'm giving more examples. One by one, you will write. a line parallel to x-axis. Here, x-axis. That's the curve at most one point. And this is 100%, otherwise 91%. If any word or spelling you are not getting, then you can ask me. If any word, because my handwriting is not, this is more than one so that this is more than one domain. This is many one.
That's it.
Okay, noted.
Yes, sir.
This guy.
Yes, sir.
Now, first of all, both of you write down this topic. It will be discussed in the next class on to function and into function. Okay. Now we will discuss more than two examples. Write down x square is equal to 4ay. 4y. Only 4y. Not. Can you tell me which function denotes anyone or 1 1? And 5.
Many to one.
Very good. Sufyan, it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Because of when you put more than one x, then it will give same value of y. And by the graph, it will be this, and a line parallel to x-axis cuts more than one part, so that this is many one function. Very good. Next, Sufyan, you will tell me y equal to sine 3x. This is many one or 1 1?
Anyone?
Many one. Because of it cuts, yet or it will give more than one value same this part. Okay, so that this is many one function. Next, x squared plus y squared is equal to x squared plus y equal to I. It is also many one function. Okay, because of when you take y equal to 9 minus x squared, any value you take x is equal to -1, y equal to 8, x is equal to plus 1, y equal to, it is also 8. So that at the minus 1 and 1, it will give 8, it means it is anyone. Okay? Write down one more question. Y equal to x square. X greater than 0. This is 1%, 91%. This question from the JEE advance. 2 marks. You will know that the value of our graph x square, but we have to solve here only as greater than 0. So that you will take only this part. This is 1 or many 1%. This is 1%. So the answer is 1. Jessica, any problem?
No, sir.
Yeah, got it?
Yes, sir.
So when you solve the JEE main or JEE advanced question, then this type of confusion will create. Be carefully for this type of question. Okay. Next. Y equal to cos 5x. Y equal to log x. Y equal to e raised to power x. Then 1, 1, many 1. These are the following is our 1, 1 or many 1. 1 by 1.
First is many one.
Many 1. Very good. Jessica, are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So that first is the many 1. And when you make the graph, then this is, so that this is many 1. Okay. Log x.
One.
Log x is 1, 1. Very good. And its graph is, no, is, so that it will cut only 1 point. Okay. Write down first. E raised to power x.
1, 2.
1%. It will be also 1%. And its graph,
Only increasing.
so that it is 1%. Okay. Yes, Rishita have told one main point that a function, write down a function which is, write down first, which is increasing or decreasing. Okay. And this is 1%. Write down, Sophia. This is 1%. This is also a definition of the 1%. Okay. Any problem? And next class we will discuss about the on to and into person. Then it will cover. Then we will start the chapter